Welcome to the Honor Code presentation. Our school has established an honor code to go along with the school vision and mission. Our vision states that we will make a difference in the world by walking in the footsteps of Pope John Paul II. Our mission is to develop leaders who are critical thinkers, effective communicators, committed to service, and rooted in faith. We've established an honor code for several reasons. 1, to give clear expectation of behavior in writing. 2, to give a clear process and procedure for students and teachers. 3, to give clear consequences when expectations are not met. And lastly, to give students a voice and an opportunity to clear their name. Our honor code allows for accountability for both students and faculty. It's an opportunity for moral discussions and a demonstration of forgiveness and redemption. It also provides reflection on personal actions and the wider ramification of our choices, and establishes an opportunity for character growth. Let's say you believe that someone is cheated. The very first thing you should do is talk to the student. Once confronted, if the student admits to cheating, you can use that opportunity as a teachable moment. Let the student know that this is an honor code matter and their parents will be contacted. You would need to contact the parents and then finally report the incident. If the student disagrees with you and says no, they did not cheat, again, you may use this moment as a teachable opportunity, but take a step back and evaluate the situation. You have a choice. You can believe the students, but also have reservations. It's something to keep in the back of your mind. Lastly, you can communicate with the parents and let them know your thoughts. We will discuss more things if the student says no on the next slide. After talking with the students, if you disagree with them and believe that they have cheated after they have said no, they did not, you have two options. 1, you can still file an honor code violation and the student would have a hearing. They could be found in violation or not in violation of this cheating scenario. Your other option is to file a conversation form. This is a statement saying that you've talked to the student about why you suspect there has been a violation. It is not a violation. However, it is a good idea to go ahead and fill out a conversation form because this can establish a pattern should the student be suspected of cheating in the future. Next, we will go over a few steps on how to fill out these forms. As you can see, go to your Cardinal Connect page and tap on the Resources tab. In there, you would want to click on Eduphoria. Next, you'll sign in, given your login, and then click on Form Space. The next step is to submit a form. Down at the bottom, you'll click on that button that says Submit a New Form. 6th, go to General Forms, and then now you have your two options. Over on the left, you will see a button for Honor Code Office Referral, and then on the right, you will see an Honor Code Conversation form. Disclaimer: Mac Primo did not commit the violation for this example. Once you have filled out a form, you will receive an email that provides details of the violation, and then you have a few click boxes that'll summarize whether you've contacted the parent and if the student admitted to a violation of the academic honor code, etc. You'll also receive a summary of detailing the parent conversation, any sort of administrative report that might be applicable, and then other notes from the coordinator or the dean of students, and if there was an honor code hearing. There is a lot of back and forth process for an office referral. After filling out the form, you will get emails detailing every step of the process. Notice that there is a workflow down at the bottom, and you can see everyone that's been involved in this office referral, and then what workflow is still remaining for this particular violation. Should you have any questions, Mrs. Soraya Nelson, our Associate Dean of Student Services, is in charge of the Honor Code and the Honor Council. Your department chairs are always a good resource, and then additionally, feel free to ask for help from David Gaffney or Julie Hopkins. We wanted you to be aware of the Honor Council. For the class of 2019, the 8 students are listed. Notice some of them have several years experience while others are new to the process. Hopefully, if you run across these students, they will be a good resource for you as well should you have any questions. For the class of 2020, there are 4 returning students to the Honor Council and 1 new student. And finally, we've added 4 students from the class of 2021. When this presentation has been shared with you, please note that there is a link for you to get to the Student Parent Handbook Honor Code section. We would like you to review the following items and thought they would be helpful. There is an intent clause including examples, what the process is for a student contesting a violation, how the grade redemption process works. Also, if you have any seniors, what the senior exam exemption redemption policy is, and then also the faculty responsibilities. And finally, our honor code system is not to be a gotcha system. It's simply part of our character development for our young gentlemen and ladies. There are consequences to poorly made decisions, and as the adult, you have the responsibility to talk about it, discuss those with the students, and report it. Again, should you have any questions, this is Mrs. Nelson's email and her extension. Thank you for watching.